In this video, I'm going to show you how to see muted status on WhatsApp. First, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So once you're updated, go ahead to your WhatsApp and then click on the updates. And you will see here my status. You will see the three dots beside that one. Just click it and you will see the muted updates and status privacy. Select the muted updates and here it says here that any updates that you mute will appear here. And that's how to see muted status on WhatsApp. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.